Some more right now across live to a member and Imran Khan's PTI party are now joining us live here on RT International, and a very warm welcome to you today. So it's great to have you on this program. We are seeing that the party you represent is contesting the electoral results. What will be your next move, basically, given that the most prominent figure, the most popular man in your country, Imran Khan, remains behind bars?
Thank you very much for having me on your show. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me the opportunity to represent my party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, and to raise the voice of my leader, Imran Khan, on your media.
Imran Khan does still enjoy huge popular support. He tweeted a day ago the following, starting with "Never have such crowds come out so spontaneously and in such numbers in our history, rejecting the imported government led by crooks." Those protests, he claims, are against a US-backed regime change. He is right to point out there were massive protests, demonstrations of support. That tweet alone garnered 7.2 million views. What are your thoughts on his belief that his ouster is all part of a US